Well, there it is. The first all non-NASA astronauts, I guess. What do you call them there? I guess civilian astronauts launching. You're going to take a couple of laps around the Earth, I guess. I think 4. Ah, nice. There it goes. Now it's, yeah, look at that. And there goes that same cloud formation or something that we saw the last time. Wow. Now see, what's that light that just came off the side? Yeah, I know. I'm watching it. It's unreal. It's that same cloud formation. I don't know whether those, like, look at it, the one next to it that's dropping. It looks almost like it's doing fireworks, huh? Yeah, I know. And it's, look, it looks like there's fireworks coming out the bottom of it.
That's a different kind of launch today.
Well, you know, it's the first civilian astronauts that are going to orbit the
Yeah,
Earth.
there's 4 of them up there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And look, you see it, that light that's staying in one place. It looks like it's there's fireworks underneath it.
Yeah.
It
And
keeps
look,
dropping.
separating. Look. You see the little dot? See how it's separating?
Yeah,
There's something funny about that one. You gotta say,
yeah.
NASA channel, and it'll tell you all what the hell's going on with that one. That's different.
That's way different.
Yeah. Damn, look at that thing.
Oh, wow. Look how light it is.
I don't think the rockets have separated yet, though.
Yeah. No, Johnny and I thought we saw it.
It looked like the rocket separated before.
Well,
There's something weird about this one.
when they separate, though, usually you see them turn, and then they point right back down
Yeah,
to,
and they come right
and
back in
then
the same spot.
yeah, they you can see the.
That guy's amazing. Elon Musk he's an amazing character.
There he is.
He was here
I don't think this is Elon Musk though. I think
Elon,
this
yeah, no, this is SpaceX.
yeah, right. This is a different one.
No, SpaceX is Elon. Elon Musk
Yeah,
is
but I
owns.
think, I'm not sure about this one. This was something.
Now,
know.
if you read it,
Yeah.
it'll tell you. Elon Musk, SpaceX. Look at that, will you? It's like an orb. Wow.
Yep, that's it.
Farm